Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up and use auto shift in your Tesla vehicle. This is something that Tesla has more so prioritized in vehicles like mine that don't have a gear shift selector stock behind their steering wheel. And then this is going to be something that is a part of the FSD subscription, or if you have access to that in your Tesla. So to see if you have this option, what you want to do from the main screen of your Tesla is open up our menu here in the bottom left-hand corner. Clicking on that little icon of the car, that's going to bring up this menu. What we want to do is go to where it says Dynamics. And once we're in our Dynamics menu, if we scroll down to the bottom, if you have access to auto shift, it should show up down here. I currently have it toggled on. Of course, if you'd like to use this feature, you want it turned on. This is for parking and multi-point turns based on your surroundings. Your vehicle will assist you with shifting between drive and reverse. You always have the backup of using the on-screen shifter as well if it's not doing the correct thing. So now I want to show you a couple of examples of this in action. One where it's going to be putting me into reverse, and then the next one where it's going to put me into drive automatically, and it's going to base this off of the cameras and what it sees around me. So right now I'm in a parking spot here. I can't go forward, so I want it to put me into reverse. When you enter your vehicle, of course, it's going to be in park with auto shift turned on. All you need to make sure is that you've buckled your seatbelt. At that point, we're going to put our foot down on to the brake, and you can see that it's going to automatically put us into reverse. So we're going to tap on the accelerator to go into reverse, and we're just going to do everything as we would normally. We're going to turn our steering wheel, and then at this point we're going to stop by pressing the brake. That gets us our first green check mark. We're going to turn the steering wheel to activate drive, getting our second green check mark, and now we're good to go at this point, and we can drive away. So now I'm in the same parking lot, but I backed into a parking spot. There's trees behind me. So now when I put my foot down on the brake, auto shift is going to see, using those cameras around me, it's going to know that I can't go into reverse, so it's going to automatically put the vehicle into drive. So same situation, just need to make sure that you have your seatbelt buckled, and then at that point all you need to do is put your foot down on the brake, and you can see that it has automatically put me into drive, assuming that I want to go forward. So I just need to press the accelerator, and now I pull out of the parking spot and I'm good to go. And again, guys, it's worth mentioning, if auto shift doesn't work for whatever reason, you always have that fallback option to use the on-screen option to put your car into drive, reverse, or park from there. So keep that in mind. But I hope this quick tutorial is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save.